Hey there everyone, this is Dr. Dan. Welcome to Hello World with Dr. Dan. In this quick video, we're going to take a look at Module 1, Lesson 5, which is Conditional Logic and Basic Math, covering math operators, shorthand operators, and incrementers. So if we take a look at the code, this is going to be our first program that I would say actually kind of does something. It's kind of like a real program of sorts. The previous ones were kind of really just basic learning, without too much of an objective in the code themselves. So this program is going to be an actual basic calculator, and you're going to learn some of the basic Java math operators, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We'll also talk about a new one you maybe haven't heard of, or at least haven't thought of in a while if you're new to programming, which is the modulus operator. We'll also do powers, so like 2 to the 5 or something like that. We'll also learn some of the Java shorthand operators that you can see here, as well as what are called incrementors and decrementers. And then finally, we'll do some conditional logic, if statements, else if, and else, as well as switch statements. So this one has a lot. Conditional logic is one of the most important things you can do in any programming language. So if I run this program, you kind of get an idea of how it works. You'll see it's a simple calculator program. Starts off, asks me for an equation, so I can type in something like 6.4 plus 5.3, for instance, and it will print out the whole equation and the answer. That one supported decimals. The second one just supports whole numbers, so 4 plus 3, 7. Then it asks me, do I want to modify my last number? So I say, sure, I'll modify it with the times symbol. And then I'll multiply that by 9, so we get 7 times 9 is 63 and exit. So obviously I can run that again and use different information, 2.3 divided by 4.3, and get different results right there. Again, this is really all about math and conditional logic. So if you look into the code, where we'll see lots of if statements, else if statements. Further down, you'll see how to use the switch programming construct and learn all about cases and breaks and defaults. We'll also point out the difference between doing math with whole numbers as well as decimal numbers, specifically as it relates to division. You can run into a little bit of a difference of behavior, as well as multiplication as well, but especially division. You can run into some problems if you're not careful. So we'll cover all that in this lesson. Encourage you to go check out hellodrdan.com and sign up for the full-length video tutorials where we will write this code from scratch and really unpack it piece by piece. I'll teach you all the details about conditionals as well as math. All right, hope to see you there.